What really happened to John Bennett Ramsey on that fateful night in December 1996? The murder of this 6-year-old beauty queen shocked the nation and continues to baffle investigators. After finding a lengthy ransom note in their home, the Ramsey family quickly called the police, setting off a series of events that led to discovering John Bennett's lifeless body in the basement. Despite extensive investigations, crucial evidence was lost when the crime scene was not secured. Over the years, numerous theories have emerged, including the possibility of an intruder or a family cover-up. Advances in forensic science have cleared the Ramsey family but did not lead to any solid suspects, leaving many questions unanswered. And as time passes, the question remains: who killed John Bennett Ramsey, and will justice ever be served?